Looking to get clean, great tasting drinking water straight from your tap? The iSpring RCC7AK is a powerful under-sink reverse osmosis system that brings bottled quality water right into your home. At its core, this system uses a 6-stage filtration process, removing up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminants including chlorine, fluoride, lead, arsenic, and more. It's NSF ANSI 58 certified, so you know it meets strict standards for performance and safety. What makes this model stand out is the alkaline remineralization stage. Unlike standard RO systems that strip everything out, this one adds back healthy minerals and balances pH, giving your water a cleaner, more natural taste instead of that flat, purified feel. With a 75 gallons per day capacity, it's more than enough for most households, providing a steady supply of purified water for drinking, cooking, and even ice makers. The system also includes a storage tank, so filtered water is always ready when you need it. Installation is designed to be DIY friendly, with a patented top-mounted faucet and quick connect fittings that simplify setup under your sink. Maintenance is straightforward too, with long-lasting filters and a transparent first-stage housing so you can easily monitor when replacements are needed. In real-world use, people love the dramatic improvement in taste, often switching completely from bottled water. However, like most RO systems, it does take up some under-sink space and produces some wastewater, something to consider before installing. Overall, the iSpring RCC7AK is a reliable, high-performance water filtration system that combines deep purification with improved taste. It's ideal for households that want cleaner, safer, and better-tasting water every day. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your home's water quality today.